Okay, for Capricorn, for the next, let's take 7 to 10 days. What is happening with you, Capricorn? Let's see what's happening with Capris. Okay, we have one card that is Nine of Pentacles. So financially, I feel for many of you things are looking very very good. Okay, I see you looking good, doing really well financially, money flowing in, and I believe some of you, if you guys are single, you guys are enjoying being single. Okay, like vibing, like literally vibing. Okay, with the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse, you guys could have given up on a connection quite recently, and you guys are not that bothered about it, to be very honest. Okay, what else do we see coming up? What else do we see coming up, Capricorn? With Queen of Cups, I do feel like with Queen of Cups here, your emotional life is also going to improve. You guys are going to get that emotional stability. I don't see you being restless or feeling drained or feeling, waking up with a very negative mindset or very like upset with someone. No, I see you doing well. I see you happy overall. Okay, in terms of relationships, where do we see Capricorn's life going? Where do we see Capricorn's life going in terms of relationships? With the Magician, I believe right now you are so powerful that you'd be able to manifest any person you want. Okay, not some toxic pack shit, but something new, something better, something real good for you. Okay, so manifesting new connections, new money, new situations altogether. Okay, so I believe you have the power to, but it depends on you. Okay, I do see a love life coming in your life, a love coming, not love life, a love like coming in your life very very soon. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, I believe the recent one wasn't that good. This person could have left you out in the cold time and time again, and you eventually gave up. That was your lesson and you have learned it. There's no reason to repeat it. Okay, in terms of your soulmate, if you have one in mind, new or old, what is going on with them? With Ace of Wands, this person, okay, give me one more card. Okay, with King of Wands, I believe this person is looking forward to a new beginning with you, but I still believe this person has a bit of childish behavior that could get in the way. They always want to win. This person could be a fire sign or an air sign, doesn't have to be, but for some of you, it could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, I would say that for many of you, you guys are connected with Aries or a Sagittarius. Selected few of you, it could be Libra. Okay, but yeah, and I believe this person wants a new beginnings, but at their own, on their own terms. Okay, so this person is still not wanting to completely compromise. This person is not ready for compromise. Okay, if they have to change certain things, I don't think they are very open for it. And knowing Capricorns, they themselves are very stubborn. They do not give a fuck about much about emotional relationship. They are rather all about their life, their future, their goals, their ambitions. Very focused. Okay, and if someone is coming off with this childish energy, I don't think you're going to entertain them much, to be honest. Okay, so what you could expect from this person now? What you could expect from this person now? With Two of Cups, they definitely want to choose you. It's not like they do not want to, but I still see some sort of negligence from their side. They want to still win. They still want to come off on their, like, they want things to be done on their terms. Okay, so I do not know how you're going to take it, but yes, they want to choose you overall. In terms of their feelings, I think it's very positive, but it's some things you might have to deal with, darling, but overall it's very positive. How do they feel for you? With Eight of Swords, they are stuck on you. They cannot move on from you. They could not move on from you. So Capricorn, regardless if it's a new past, God knows which life person, but this person is completely stuck on you and they want you. Okay, they might still pretend to not give a fuck about you, but trust me, they give a lot of fuck about you. Okay, one card for what are they wanting to offer you now? What are they wanting to offer you? With Six of Cups, they want a reunion. They definitely want to get back with you. Okay, with Ten of Wands, trust me, this person could have a lot of baggage that is involved. Okay, Five of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and Five of Swords. This person could have problems with finances. Okay, this person is a very very good looking person, but when it comes to their finances, they are a bit fucked up. Okay, one more card. So what do they want with you now? What are they looking forward to have with you? With Six of Swords, I still believe that if they live at a distance, they want to come and see you. Okay, in terms of intentions, they want to see you, they want to meet you, they want to greet you in person. Okay, one card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action they want to take towards you now? With Tower card, they want to bring in changes. They definitely want to bring in changes and fast changes, fast, spontaneous changes. With Eight of Wands, if this person is not in communication, they will be in communication very, very soon. Okay. One card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now. With Four of Cups, howsoever, you may not be exactly open to accepting their offer. Reason being, this person has been a bitch in the past. Okay, truth be said. But I don't know, darling. Four of Cups. That's a card where you do not accept an offer. That's going to be presented right in front of you, but I still see you not accepting it. Okay. One more card for what you could expect overall from this connection for the next 7 to 10 days, Capricorn. With Six of Pentacles, this person is definitely open to balancing shit out with you, to possibly get back on the same page as you, definitely wanting to be together with you, but I still see you not accepting them. Okay, what does Capricorn want with this person? What does Capricorn want with this person? With the High Priestess, you are not very sure what you want with them. A part of you wants to just stay silent. A part of you wants to still see what this person is up to. Okay, so you are basically at crossroads, to be honest. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now? How do they view you? They feel like you're walking away, or you have moved on, or you will be moving on pretty soon, or you will get away. Someone who's getting away. Okay, one card for how do they view the connection? How do they view the connection now? They feel the connection is done. You are walking away, or you are done with the connection, and you will possibly end it pretty soon. Okay, they'll have to put in some serious efforts, and that's what they want. They want a new beginning. Okay, by the end of this month, where do we see this connection going? By the end of this month, where is this connection going? With Five of Cups, I still feel like you will let the past affect you so much so that you would not want to be open to this person. You may miss this person, but you may never trust them again. Okay, so bottom card we have is Fool and Four of Wands. So I believe you want to walk towards something new in your life. You want to walk towards something healthier in your life. Okay, so moving on, let's take few messages what this person wants to say, or what should you be knowing about this connection. Give me a second, this might take 20. Okay, so what should Capris be knowing about the connection that they are being a part of? Should they walk away? Should they give in? What should be advice? Okay, commitment, let take it to the next level will happen. So I believe this person will want to move things forward with you. Commitment, let take it to the next level will happen. So this person does want this connection, however you may not be open to it. Okay, lessons learned, past lessons, part of karma. You may be looking at this as part of your karma, part of your lessons. See, karma is not always bad. Karma could be lessons that you should be learning through being with a certain person or being part of a connection. Okay, so you see it as lessons, as something that is done and over. Okay, one card for what you could look forward to in the near future. Past person involved hiding someone, so they could have got involved with a past person in the recent past, and the person is still around. They are not completely done with the past person, and you should be knowing about that. Past person involved hiding someone. Okay, So they could be hiding someone. Okay, they might not be completely given up on the past connection. At the same time, they could be wanting to manifest you. So that is never possible, right? So I believe you do not trust them, and you will not trust them. Okay. So one card for what's blocking the connection for now. What is blocking the connection for now? Capricorn and West Zodiac. What is blocking the connection is that with Queen of Wands, someone could be having a third party and you will never trust them. Communication gap, communication is not happening. This person might have not been very vocal about what they wanted with you, or how they wanted to move things forward. Okay, so there is definitely distance, and there is a third party that was involved once that you are still not sure where it's going. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Capricorn. Mind you, this is general reading and may or may not resonate with everyone, but if it does, kindly hit the like button, let me know in the comment section, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all those who want a personal reading, please reach me out on my website and book one that fits best for you. Thank you for your time, thank you for coming in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.